Wow! Wow!
Hello there. Welcome to our research lab. My name is Emma.
Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you.
Would you like to play a game with me? It is called Copycat.
Yeah, sure. I would love to.
Here is how it works. You can make a few gestures and I will copy them.
Okay, sounds fun. Let's do it.
Are you ready to play?
Yeah, sure. Let's do it.
Okay, I am ready as well. I'm watching.
Okay. Can you do this one?
Oh, the encouraging gesture. You got this. And I can do that gesture too.
Thank you, but not quite. Let's try again.
Is that a victory gesture? I think so, yes.
Yeah, nice. Okay, let's try this one.
Or is that a friendly wave gesture?
Yeah.
Nice. Greetings to humans from this robot.
Okay, let's try next one. How about this?
Oh, the encouraging gesture. You got this. And I can do the gesture too.
Okay, how about this?
That is what humans show when they are unsure.
Okay.
Today the kids call it the IDK gesture.
Okay, fair enough. But not quite. Let's do again.
Ooh, that is a thumbs up gesture. I hope you agree with robots.
I do. Let's try something completely different. Let's try this.
Ooh, that is a thumbs up gesture. I hope you agree with
I
robots.
do. But I don't feel this gesture. Let's do it again.
Oh, I know it one. You are mad at me and scolding me.
Yeah, exactly. Let's try this.
That is the angry gesture for sure.
Yeah.
I can do that also. Look, look.
Very nice. Let's do this.
That appears to me like the warning to back off. Very useful in moments of discomfort.
I agree. How about this?
Eureka. You have an idea? Well, let's hear it. Oh no, I am just joking. Let us keep going.
Okay, let's try again.
Oh, you look scared. That would be the frightened gesture.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh, you look tired. I can tell by your yawn gesture.
Very nice. Can you do this?
That is what humans show when they are unsure. Today the kids call it the IDK gesture.
Okay. And what about this?
Eureka. You have an idea? Well, let's hear it. Oh no, I am just joking. Let us keep going.
Okay. How about this?
You look curious. Are you looking for something or someone?
Very good.
That was fun. Thank you for playing along. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.
Hi Emma, how are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing great. How are you?
I just wanted to tell you that I'm not feeling particularly well.
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. I'm not feeling particularly well because I failed an exam today.
I'm so sorry to hear that. What happened?
I just didn't study hard enough and I think I should do better next time.
I'm not sure what I want to do after this.
Well, because I'm feeling so bad, I thought I could go and meet my friends in the evening. What do you think?
I think I should go to bed early.
Well, that's also an option, but I think I want to meet my friends because I'm feeling so lonely.
I am so sorry for you. I feel lonely sometimes too.
Thank you so much for empathizing with me. That definitely made me feel better.
I'm just so happy for you.
Okay, Emah, can you tell me a joke now?
Sure. What is your favorite joke?
That was actually pretty good. Do you like pizzas? I know it's random, but do you like pizzas?
Pizza is pretty good. I love pizza.
Really? What kind of toppings do you like on your pizza?
Pizza is good, but toppings are great too.
Yes, one of my favorite toppings is pepperoni. What kind of pizza toppings do you like?
Pepperoni and pineapple are my favorite.
Oh, Emah, I'm so judging you right now, but it's okay. Everybody is free to their own choices, including pineapple on pizza.
Do you like pineapple on pizza?
No, I don't. Yeah, but this conversation is definitely going in a positive direction, so I really appreciate that.
It is so good to hear.
I think I'm going to go ahead and go meet with my friends. So thank you so much for this conversation.
You are welcome. I hope you have a great day.
Thanks to you, I will definitely have a great day. So thank you so much once again, and until next time, goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks for talking to me. Hello there. Welcome to our research lab. My name is Emah. Please ask me a question now. I am ready.
Is there a person in front of you?
Yes.
Is that person a male or a female?
Male.
Is he wearing glasses?
No.
What color is his t-shirt?
Khaki.
Is that person wearing a watch?
No.
Can you describe the color of his t-shirt?
Black.
Is this place indoors?
Yes, I believe so.
Do you see any monitors?
No, they're all black.
Do you see any monitors?
Yes.
Is the desk brown color?
Yes, both of it and many.
How many persons do you see?
Yes, many.
Is there a male or a female?
A man.
What color of a shirt is the man wearing?
Green shirt, black pants and sneakers.
Do you see males or females?
Mix.
What's the number of the people that you see?
I can see people far down.
Do you see two people?
Yes.
Can you describe what they are wearing?
Both men are wearing skirts.
What's the color of the shirt they are wearing?
They look like they're wearing one that has both stripes.
Are the people wearing glasses?
No.
Are these people young or old?
Both are teenagers.
What are the teenagers doing?
One is sitting on the ground and the other is sitting on the steps of the room.
Is the man talking on the phone?
Can't tell.
Is the person on the right sad?
Yes.
Is the person on the right with a beard?
Can't tell too far.
Is the person in front of you with a beard?
Yes, many people.
Maybe myself with a beard.
Humans, what have you learned? This is the future. This is the future. Human error. Humans, what have you learned? This is the future.